Hey guys, today's Tuesday, May 5th, and a couple announcement before we get started today. This is going to be the last post for this week. We have done a lot of work, so I figured the rest of this week is just a chance for you guys to get caught up. If you're caught up with my class, great. You can use this time to get caught up in other classes if you need to. But this will be the last post for this week, okay? So let's click on classwork, go to figurative language. Make sure you are reviewing our definitions and examples of figurative language because you will need that for today's assignment. As we look at it, you're going to read the short story below. It's just a couple paragraphs. You will notice that some words and phrases are in bold. You're going to match the word or phrase with one of the figurative language types below. Write the letter for the figurative language on the blank beside the word or phrase. So after you've read that, here's the figurative language, and then here's your choices. Obviously, we've got 8 sentences. We only have 4 types of figurative language. Every one will be used once. Some of them will be used more than once. Some of them, okay? So hopefully you have had that chance to go back and look at what our definitions and examples of are for figurative language. Yesterday, you read chapter 17, which was technically the last chapter in Number the Stars, but the author did one more thing after that. She wrote what's called an afterword. And an afterword is extra information that the author gives. Lois Lowry decided to add this at the end. It was a way for her to explain what parts of her story were historically accurate. So as you know, you've got that choice. You can listen to the story or listen to the afterword, or you can read it on your own. And then you do have questions. You have 5 true or false questions. Click next and you'll have 3 short answer questions. Okay? And then that is it for this week. I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe. If you've got any questions, need any help, please let me know. And I will talk to you guys next week. If you need anything, let me know. Bye.